Unraveling the Mystery of Sleepwalk, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to delve into: the word sleepwalk. We're going to explore what it means, how it's used in sentences, and some interesting facts about it. So, if you're ready to unravel the mystery of sleepwalk, stay tuned. Sleepwalk is a verb that describes the action of walking or performing other activities while asleep. It is a combination of two words: sleep, which means the state of resting, and walk, which means to move on foot. When put together, sleepwalk refers to the act of walking around while one is in a deep sleep and not fully aware of their actions. Now that we know what sleepwalk means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. Simple sentence: my brother tends to sleepwalk when he is extremely tired. Complex sentence: although she was asleep, she managed to open the door and sleepwalk down the stairs. As you can see from the examples, sleepwalk can be used to describe the action of someone who is in a state of sleep but is still able to perform complex activities like walking. Sleepwalking is a phenomenon that has intrigued scientists and researchers for many years. Here are some interesting facts about it. It occurs during deep sleep. Sleepwalking typically occurs during the deep stages of sleep, known as rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. More common in children. Sleepwalking is more commonly observed in children, especially those between the ages of 3 and 7. Can be hereditary. Studies have shown that sleepwalking can run in families, indicating a genetic component to this behavior. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the word sleepwalk. We hope that this video has helped clear up any confusion about what this word means and how it's used. Remember, sleepwalking is a complex behavior that occurs during deep sleep, and it's more common in children. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.